International Fertilizer Development Center obakwatanise n'abebembezi ba Rubanda District Local Government batandika kukora Enkuuto ya Kashaasha Ihunga ejine kugira oburingwa bwa kilomita 13. Project ejo okuja abebembezi nyokezaho billion emwe na million rukaga omu sente za Uganda.
Urugudo ecyatumana imerezaha aba staff bitu Bob Gebare ari kuzakora nkakira ku works ushimire kuba ariko buri zoba kutugambira kugenda.
So umurimo gwanje munonga this project, I'm going to fully monitor this project. Bob, engineer Bridget, you know my working styles. Ejo kuleta mashuta Chamuka ukuzito machine kandi machine turi kushashura center runaku ibitebe kuzakora a project each.
Abanyisa bano Kashaasha bo kumwana ngo aba FDC baje kutucommitting twaze twakora commitment batakijera ground ngeno district hano twa committing esent zeka million bishatu ezo kugira ngo twereke commitment go kumhanda twenda kuba supporting kurugenyima.
Project manager yonja kutugambira awachi Enkuuto eriyo nekorwa.
So the road we are talking about today, one of the main issues I want to emphasize that it's just a bus or a road or a vehicle to take this community on the destined vision where they hope or they want to be.
Tonda tutware nk'abagwere twaturi kubatankaru kutufamara kubahisaho imotoka zije zikucharginga sente zitarabasa tubate hapici konka no kubata hapici nitubane tubashashura kasente kahiguru habwo rukuto rubi
zitwitire ebyubwo zijinje okurugenye mukoko imurare.
Uganda State Minister w'uburambuzi ayihanangirize na mnonga abebembezi bitendekero lya government area Uganda Wildlife Research and Training Institute okonja kwera beje bakore research okureba ngo bahezaho omwata okuchiremire omarindero genyamesho.
The biggest challenges that we have here, because we're together in the park, the challenge of invasive species is not only unique to Queen Elizabeth, it's in the other parks. And we pray and hope that the solution to the invasives will come from this institute. It is my prayer.
Robert Baluku mukuru w'ishomerera ahano asimira government yarwanyisiriza abo kubongera abashomesa kurga abashomesa ana na mushansha hatsi n'abashomesa 9 na 8.
We have the class of the block. Communities are going to benefit a lot. First of all, having very few students because of the infrastructure that we have. But now that we have improved on the infrastructure, that means the numbers are going to grow.
Obwahati itendekirere rina beji bibiri nshaje n'abashatu noberabe naragirwa okugira beji enkumena gashakwa Job na Manyapuri na Gilbert Muhanguzi.